have I done? I bought a identical 2000E to my own car. You just got to be done, innit? When you see one the same year, reg, from either parts or build up as a, hopefully build up as a second car is the plan when I saw it in the pictures. But on closer inspection, it's going to be another toughie. Right, let's start with the petrol cap. All good. No problems there. Nice and tidy. Right. Let's go to the back then. Right, your slam panel has got problems, but generally okay. They can be fixed. Go around the boot. It's all good. Strong. It's good here as well. That's a crucial part. That's all solid out. To the other side. Go down the steps. I can't quite. There's a bit of rot there, so that could be a problem. Not as bad as in the other car. And then we come down, so that's just a lip that can be fixed easy. Back lights are good. Back balance. It's got a huge hole there. But apart from that, bubbles there. We'll have to inspect it and see. That feels really solid, really solid. But does it look like a repair here? This paint isn't great, so we'll see what's going on. Damage there. I can't get under there. I'll try in a bit. Right, looks all right, but is that filler? Is that filler or is that a tidy balance? In a outer quarter. Wheel arches gone, both sides. Boot, mighty fine, very good boot. Very good boot. Better put some treatment on that. ASAP. Inside the boot. It's getting dark, but we have problems. Fuel. Now look around the fuel pipe. That's all good. Okay, looks like there's a hole under there, which is common. There might be a bit of a look there, or is that just the seal, seam sealer? Okay, spare wheel tab. That's gone. That's gone there. Just like my other car. It's fine. Okay, on the inside here, that's the hole through the back I was talking about. Looks solid, everything else. Okay. The suede is still on the roof, so I can't see, but it doesn't look like anything. Get here in better light. We'll do it next time I can get to the car. Dash pad's still in. Dashboard looks okay. Let's stick to the roof for now. Look at that. Pristine. Amazing. Scuttle. Pristine. This wing is damaged at the front, but before we do that, let's go to the sill. The sill is in need of some repair. Like I said, the wing, the arches are gone. That's gone all the way up there. That's going to need a new arch. Yeah, that's got to go. Right, let's look in here. Okay. Outer tub gone there. maybe that's hopefully just that bit, because we can fix that. Same over there. Same under the car. We'll have to do when I've got better light, because we can't see that yet, but by the eye it looks okay. And the sill. Okay, that's gone. The wing, again, paint repair there. Let's have a look under that, see how bad it is. And the floor is bad as well. Floor. How much have we lost to the floor? The last 10 centimeters. I'm guessing that could be repaired. This all looks fine on first impressions. The rest of it. Floor pan at the front. Side of the pedals, okay. That's okay. Perish down here. There's that inner wing there, isn't it? That is ruined. Outer wing. Actually, not bad at the top, but bad at the bottom. But between all the wings I've got, I'm hoping I could maybe graft something in there. That's had a bang, the valance, and it's, excuse my French, and it's completely, that's completely gone. Okay, new valance. Well, you can't look at all of the car. It's behind a hedge. Again, the jury's out on that. Doesn't look, oh, it doesn't look crazy bad. Battery tray's okay. Slight hole down there. Let's try and get you down there. Cross member. Much better than the other one. It's gone down there. Just there. Saveable. Solid then under there. Top's good. And this is going out to all the Cortina Mk3 Jedis out there. Pete C, Paul Runton, Gail, Simone, Keith Macy, Mark, all those guys that know a lot more than I do. That's fine. Over there, that's nasty. That's going to need a replacement part, like my other car, Scuttle. Let's go around and have a look. There we go. Right. I haven't got a picker with me, but that's probably going to need a replacement in there, but this feels very good. So it's going. We can save that though, most of that. It's in a tree at the moment. Get this out of it. Better look next time, but for now, yeah, that's not looking good, is it? Inner wing is going to need sandblast that and see what's left. That's gone. And the sills are gone. Got some cut out already. Okay. floor pan hole, the footwell passenger side. The rest of it is good. Sill has sill and floor. Problems on the sides, all the way up. All the way up. Terrible over there. Worse than my other car. So, inner and outer sill and floor pan repair. Look at that, there's nothing left. There's nothing left at all there. That's gone, look at that. Look at that. This is good. There, but then localise holes there on the outer tub. This arch is again bad. Same problems as the other side down there, and of course there. That's about all I can get to now with the light fading. Floor pan repairs around the side. Inside is inside looks relatively good. Right. Roof and middle floor pan fine. Footwell generally fine. Damage to the crash pad there, shame. Scuttle fine. Engine bay. Inner wings debatable. Everything else saveable. The other wing is in the house and it's fine. Very good condition. Roof looks good. Boot and bonnet. Boot's good. Bonnet's not so good. I'll show you now where the bonnet is. Oh. Okay. The bonnet's had a bang. And look, it's got holes there. It's about to go bad like my other one, but it can be saved, I think, probably with a bit of fabrication. It's had a bang down the other side. I can't really show you here. Bear with me a second. I thought it had a bang on it, maybe not. Yeah. I'm sure that curls in. The way it was on the car just now, but there's no holes this side. But it's bubbling, it needs some immediate TLC. But like I say, it's nowhere near as bad as my original car's bonnet. Just put this back over there. Front axle, good. Right, the rest of the car's in the house, but the shell for today, this video is all about the shell and just a quick first impression. First inspection, sorry. There's bits missing, there's no glove box. I haven't had that in the house. Ashtray's still in. Let's have a look in the ashtray, see if there's anything in it. Hey. Fags. What else we got in here? Nothing much, just some screws. Okay, but all good there. The bulkhead is pristine. The bulkhead has passed. Bulkhead is fine. I'll leave it up to you guys to see what you think. But I'm a bit disappointed because on the video it didn't look as bad as that. But I think it's sills and arches, which is, you know, quite common, isn't it, for Mk3s? anyway, you know, when they were kind of relatively new back in the 70s. Floor pannier, that's a ball ache. Bits at the back there on the the rear valance, but it ain't as bad as my other car. This is going to have to go into storage while I finish car 1. If this had been in better nick, I was going to crack on with this and put it back together to have something on the road for the shows in 25. But looking at it, it needs you know, a longer time frame with my current level of available time and expertise as well. It's going to take me a while to get all this done and then get it resprayed locally.